Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can create chart or graph in Excel file using Excelize library of Go language. In last two video we have seen how we can create Excel file, how we can add information in Excel file, how we can read that information from Excel file. Now here same we are just creating an Excel file first of all for making a graph. So here I am just trying to add some value in a rows and column format and the value under those category also. So for that we took here map. In map we have in first as a key we took the cell information, so A2, then value under the cell, then A3 cell, then value under this cell, then A4, then value. Similarly we have this rows and column information. Then under these small, normal and large, apple, orange and pear, we have decided to add some value, random value we can add like this. Now by using Excelize library we create Excel file here, new file, and under the sheet 1 we just inserted the information by using set cell value. Here we are passing a sheet 1 and key and value. So key is this and value is this, key is this, value is this. So one by one we are adding from the category map to the Excel file, then from the range we are inserting in Excel file. So we are doing this all these information, and at the last we are just saving this information and we are displaying information file created with graph. So if I run this, and remember to add the library also, this library we have to add from the internet in our application, then only this Excelize will be recognized. So go get and just type this and download this library in your application. Now go run and we just say add graph. So after this, file created with graph will display, and we go to the folder where we have created this Excel file, and now we have this information which we have inserted with the help of map like this. Or you can generate any kind of information. I am just using this information to draw graph. And remember that when we draw graph we go to insert, and here we just select the type of graph. So this graph I am using, this is 3D graph. You see 3D, the graph name is 3D cluster graph. Remember 3D cluster graph we have here. 3D stack, this is 3D stacked, and this is 3D 100% stack, and this is also 3D column. So we are going to create this 3D clustered type of this, and this type of graph. If I click here, so we have this graph is ready in Excel, and if we go there and we try to check this graph, so we will find out that we have series here, we have category here, series, category, and if I click on this added, so we have name also, we have value also. So name, value and category, these category, these information under series we are going to pass from the Excelize library. So I remove this. So just don't save this file, and here I just uncomment the setting which I did already, the coding for generating this. So uncomment it, and remember that we have this sheet 1 at the place of H4. I want to insert this graph or chart. Type of chart is called 3D clustered. Remember that we have seen the name of the chart also, and under the series we are going to pass these three values. So first value is name, category and value for first your column. So this is the name of this your bar, and then we have a series as a category, this B1 to D1, and everywhere we have this B1 D1, B1 D1, category is same, but the value is different. Here is we have B2 to D2, then B3 to D3, then we have D3 to D4 to B4 to D4, and we have different name also, A4, then A3, then A2, like this we are passing the name also. So name, then category, then value, under a series, as a array we are passing. These are the required parameters which is required to build a graph. Here again we have this title, and in the title we are giving a name that 3D fruit graph we want to, 3D fruit chart graph we want to draw. Just save this and now run once again. So execute it. Now open the folder, and again once again I just open this, and you remember that the same type of graph which we build with the help of Excel we have here created with the help of Go language Excelize library. Same information we also have here. Remember this series, category, under this we have in range this name of this small. So for small we want to make this, and this we have the series which we want to make it bar. Similarly we have this normal. So name, we have the normal here, this name we want to set, and then we have this range of this. We have category also, the column on which we want to build this. So this is the range for this B1 to D1, that is fixed in all the bar. So like this, these are the parameter which is required to build your graph, your chart in Excel sheet. Same we have passed here, as a parameter with the help of add chart function using Excelize library in Go language. So you have seen that it's simple to draw a chart also using Excelize library in Go language. That's all in this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.